Done of going from the excavator. No reason. Hey, hop. How to jump around. Yeah. Yeah. The journey is going to see the machine how it's working. And I'm ready to find the people to work with by using the machine. I'm here for the guys that are using the machine. Don't know if it was allowed, but I'm moving on. Yeah, that's how things is. But my target is excavator. You can see here front, around here, that side, this side. Yep. I can see in front of mine size. I have to focus and go to see what's going on there. You're gonna allow me to work with them, or you're gonna allow me to work with them? I don't know, but I have to find it. This is the ground where they are married and they are working. Yep. We have to go on. I'm going to read it. My GoPro camera network, and this is a big machine. This category too. I'm searching it. I'm able to find it. Yeah, this is the ground. Yeah. It's excavator. Excavator. That's what they want. Tá, boss. Fecha. Ei. Alguns. Depois a gente tira mano. Olha. Ei. Já kureba no mano bana bakore bekamyo niba Jagushaka information kubera hano batwara amakamyo. Hano batwara bya excavator. Kwa ko ufite kategori yayo. So nje ko bazana buryo niba byashaka ko umuntu ashobora kuba yakora nabo like for internship. Nje kingenzo nuko naciyemo hano byaba mbagereho neza. Sawa sante. Yeah. The guy is asking if I are allowed to be here because I'm in the ground of other people. This is my favorite one I want. Yeah, many. Excavator. Excavator. Right. You ready? Let's get on ready. Big boss is asking if he knows me. He doesn't know me. I'm here. All right. I'm here. Wow. I see the nice birds around here. Let me just go for grabbing some photos for them. Ooh,